Now we will fix together the wall lamp. This is the part what you will receive: two arm, the base, and the dish, the plate for the arm, and the crystal, and the lamp holder, and these parts. The first you will start with the base to fix it in the wall. So just take out these parts. All this part take it out. To take out to arrive to this base. This is the base what we will fix in the wall. This is the base what we fix. We fix it in the wall. We put screw here, screw here. Now it's already has the hole to put screw. For us, just we will try to put this electric. This in the wall electric. Now we will fix the arm. Here we can see these two holes. Just we put this one, and we put the screw. We fix it, then we make it here, tie. Now we fix the two arm. We make it tie. Then now we take this part, the ring. This two ring we put, each arm we put one. Then we take this dish. Also each arm we put one. Then we take this part with the lamp holder. After we put this dish, we let this one to enter, put in the hole. We take out the wire out, and the lamp holder, we put the wire inside also, just to make it more clear in the camera. And this here, the head, the copper head, we put it inside here, this the lamp inside. One right, one left. Must be like one here, one here. Then after we put, we fix in the hole and we turn. We can turn by our hand to make it tie. Then all it's already fixed. The wire here, it's so important to focus of this wire. Now we fix this, the arm, two arm we fix it. Now we need to fix the electric. Each arm also has two wire, one wire, two line. One wire, two line. Now we will fix one line with another arm line. See, each one has one wire, two line. We put this A together and this B together. Then we fix it with the main wire. Just to make it more. Now that we fix the electric, so now we continue. Now we try to put all the wire inside, and we take the cover parts. We put the cover and we close it with the screw, same as when we open. And the same part what we take out with this glass. Then we put the glass cover. And we close. No need we make it so strong to not broken the glass. It's just this cover will not hold anything. We make it tight, not so tight to not broken the glass again. Then we put the cover, the end. This is the end and this the small one. Then now we start to fix the crystal. This is the crystal, what you will receive it, and we start to put one by one in this hole. Here we are fixing the crystal in each hole. The dish has hole, we'll fix this crystal in the hole. Now we fix the crystal, now we will fix the bell. The bell we will fix it in the ring. Now we say, here we fix the ring. This is the bell, and this is the bell, and this is the middle bell. Then we put the lamp holder. And we put the lamp. Sorry, I don't have big space to show you the design, but now we will see clear photo. And we fix the